Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are opening the Yaya Han sewing machine, the Bernette 79 Yaya Han edition. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. I'm a fashionista cosplayer since 2005, fashionista since birth. And if you're new here, hi and welcome. I do lots of things such as fashion, DIYs, tutorials, and vlogs. Well, I guess DIYs are tutorials, so they're one and the same. If you're new here, I hope you like what I have to offer. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in a comment down below. So let's go ahead and open up this beautiful beast of crafting machinery. Now, this machine I know is a Bernette. I also have a Bernette at my house, and this one is a sewing machine and an embroidery machine. This one has multiple functions and it comes with a set of presser feet that is good for cosplaying purposes or crafting purposes for leveling up your game. I am super excited to try out this. This video is about my first impressions, unboxing, and all of my super excited thoughts. So if you are looking for a sewing machine, maybe this is the right one for you. Let's find out. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick disclaimer. There is a guy doing some yard work, so if you can hear that in the background, I'm so sorry. And now I'm going to go ahead and pop off with scissors to try to open this bad boy. I guess it's a girl. And the one cool thing about this sewing machine is that it already has like decals on it. It has pretty purple and lilac-y and blues, which are my colors. It's also Yaya Han's colors. It's very futuristic. I think it's pretty. And actually, I have a tattoo on my ankle that is very similar. So, here we go. Am I excited? Absolutely. Ugh. So I actually saw this advertised. I've seen other cosplayers, crafting people get this. So let's just see how this will work. Okay, so immediately this is a giant box. Oh, it came with thread, dang it. Okay, so it came with a bunch of thread. Look at this. They're metallic threads. They're very pretty. They're polyester embroidery thread. As I mentioned, this is a embroidery machine. Okay, this first part's very heavy. What is this? This is embroidery cloth. Okay, interesting. I did not know that this was coming with it. Okay, so this is the bonus package C. I have no clue what the bonus package C is. So we have a CD-ROM of the software. I have it here as well, the embroidery software that comes with it, and that is one of the big things about this machine. So this comes with, oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. This is so exciting. Look at all these colors. I went out and got some threads. Whoops. Not a big deal. It's got these bobbins and it also has this presser foot set. Presser foot set and bobbins. Here. Okay, I'm too short. I might have to get on a chair. So here are the hoops. These are huge. This is about the size of my torso. So you can do some real damage and have some really big embroidery pieces. This is not a small embroidery hoop by any means. This is industrial size if you ask me. So if you have any aprons or anything, this is perfect. Jackets, you got it. That'll be perfect for like denim jackets or any kind of jacket. We got some instructional booklet, I believe. Yes. Slowly but surely. Sewing lights. Oh, nice. There's an extra sewing light in this little kit, so I can put it on my sewing machine. Oh, look how tiny this little embroidery hoop is. This one is so mega tiny. That's so cute. Okay. And we have some clips. Okay, this is the sewing presser shuttle hook. Yes. Look at all of these. That's a lot. Sewing clips in purple, which is nice. I do believe that is Yaya's favorite color. It is also my favorite color. That's why I'm CelesteOrchid. Oh. Cringe. Okay, so this is all your basic sewing kit needs. Got some feet and some other things. Some needles. That's pretty nice. Okay. And I think it's time to get this out. Okay. I don't think okay. All right, so that was just the, oh. I think there's some assembly required. Actually, there is, because this is the foot cover of the plate. That's fine. I know how to put that on. I hope you guys are here with me on this. Oh, this is big. Or is it? We'll see. So, the first part I'm pulling out right now is, oh my gosh, this is so heavy. This is the embroidery part. This is going to shove around the hoops. I'm going to put this on the side here. That's why you all came. Don't lie to me. I'm going to start to move this on the ground because this is too big for me to handle. Ugh. Oh my. Ah. Oh. Eh. Okay. And so next, let's go ahead and now I'm going to try to pull out this table. This is for sewing long dresses, jackets, anything that needs to not hang over your sewing machine. So that's good. An extra table. And lastly, the machine. I might need help. Yes, please. It's my little brother. I'm filming. Do you see? I'm filming.
Oh, very nice.
I have my lavin too.
Oh, fun. Okay, so.
Okay, I'm gonna push down the styrofoam, and then can you lift?
Oh, it's heavy.
I know. And if you could place it here.
Okay.
This is my new sewing machine! Ah! You were supposed to freeze frame with me.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Ah! Okay. Everyone give a round of applause for my little brother. Woo! And it comes with this nice little cover. It's a dust cover. Look at this. So fancy piece, Paula. And it says Bernette's Wish design. It is Swiss. Swiss is fish. Okay. First thoughts. Oh my God. The fresh new smell of plastic gives me life. I don't know if you guys have noticed that on my channel. I love fresh plastic. Is it dangerous to inhale? I don't know, but guess what? I'm still alive. I haven't dropped dead. Yeah, this was a lot. I didn't realize my husband purchased the extra package for me. That is so sweet of him. Thank you so much. Let me move this box to the side. This is a big box. So let's open you. My beautiful number 79. This is the foot. Oh my gosh. Look how big this presser foot is. This is like a Shaquille O'Neal version of a sewing presser foot. They were not joking with this. Okay. So it's come preloaded with a bobbin. Yeah, that's gonna expire very quickly. This is not a small sewing machine by any means. This is pretty large. And I have to say, I'm very impressed with it just by looking at it. This is a computerized portion. There's no plastic smell. Wait. I smell no plastic smell on that. I'm slightly disheartened. I smell plastic smell on the plastic bag, but there's no plastic smell on the machine. I'm so excited to be able to use this. It is so much prettier than I thought in person. Are you kidding me? This is so gorgeous. And it says Yaya Han edition. This is so pretty. Like, I can't imagine a prettier sewing machine. Really, I can't. I haven't even turned it on and used it. So my first impression of just looking at it, this is a huge, heavy-duty machine. Not only is it actually heavy, the fact that the handle looks like it can be like the katana holder, it's not small. So you're going to do some heavy damage with it. Now, stay tuned for another video of where I actually show you me setting it up. But this video is almost 10 minutes long, and I think this is going to be like a multi-parter. So if you enjoyed the unboxing version of this, let me know with a comment down below. There was so many things. The extra plate, the embroidery, what is this called? The embroidery attachment is just mega. This is massive. Hold on. I'll take it out of the plastic before we sign off here. Overall, my first impression is, wow, this is amazing. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use you. Oh, this one smells like plastic, but look at that. This is not small. This is larger than my torso. This is so big. Everything's bigger than my torso. But yeah, I'm gonna set it up, and I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing this, and maybe you need to get one for yourself or save some money and get it for someone that you love for your holiday season or birthday. And I will see you guys in another video. So remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye.